After sleeping in the open for several days, many quake-affected Afghan villagers have received China-donated relief supplies, including tents, blankets, and clothes. A strong earthquake rocked southeastern Afghanistan on June 22, killing more than 1,000 people and injuring nearly 2,000 others while destroying tens of thousands of houses. Days later, the first batch of earthquake relief supplies donated by the Chinese government arrived at Afghanistan's Kabul International Airport. More have followed. By Tuesday, China has pledged assistance worth $7.5 million to assist the quake-affected regions. Afghan caretaker government's chief spokesman Zabihullah Mujahid has expressed gratitude for China's aid.
کمک‌های کشور چین امتنان می‌ورزیم چون کمک‌های وافر را به مردم افغانستان اعلام کرده.
Chinese support also comes from the country's relief organizations and enterprises, as well as overseas Chinese. The Red Cross Society of China donated a batch of earthquake relief supplies to Afghanistan last week. Chinese firm MJAM donated a batch of food aid including flour, rice and cooking oil only days after the country was hit by the quake. Overseas Chinese in Afghanistan also bought medicines and tents and transported them to disaster-hit areas with their own funds.